Thinking about taking a trip to Beavers Bend Cabin Country? Well, take it from me, you're pruny cabin country enthusiast, because you absolutely should. So you don't know where to start? Well, that's why I need a local expert like myself to help. So first, we need to book you a cabin like this one. So we need to get on the internet. Actually, first, let's dry those hands. Then, go to beaversbendcabincountry.com and start finding you the perfect cabin. Now that we got your place booked, let's go start planning the rest of your trip. I'm gonna show you my favorite stuff to do. Let's go!
All right, Beavers Bend State Park is a great place to start. Whether you're coming with a group of buds or taking the family on a quick getaway, there's hiking, fishing, boating, and literally a billion different birds and animals to see. I tell you, everywhere you look, it's just one heck of a view. Check this out. For my money, this right here is the best state park in Oklahoma. Now, I am a little biased though, but cabin country isn't just cabins and parks. Well, what else is there to do, Teddy? Buckle up, darling. I'm fixing to show you. This right here is called Hochatown, and it's centrally located to just about any cabin you could stay in. It's chock full of top-notch restaurants, places to grab a beverage, and of course, a whole lot of fun and games. So I'm here at Hochatown, right on the main drag. When you're down here, you're living on Hochatown. If you're looking for really nice people and some even nicer souvenirs, you come to the right place. Favorite trails right here. You need to check it out. Just make sure to bring some water. All right, guys, all that shopping made me really work up an appetite. I got a top-of-the-line kitchen with everything I need back at the cabin. I mean, the folks back home do call me Chef Teddy. I left all my stuff back home, but hey, that's no big deal. Whether you forget supplies like sunscreen and bug spray, or need a full-on grocery store, there's places you can go. Now tonight, I'm thinking of whipping up one of my famous cheeseburgers. So I made it to the Mountain Man Meat Market. This is a good stop for some good quality, well, I mean, look, a little bit of everything. All right, I'm all set. Let's head back to that fully stocked kitchen in the cabin and cook up these burgers. Yeah, back at the cabin with some local libation. So, while I'm chefing away here, I want to give you some reasons why you should go ahead and get here already. First of all, it's great to come here any time of year. It's close, and there's something to do for everybody. Families, couples, your friends, even bachelorette parties. And the best part is, you can make any trip your own. So no matter who you come here with or what for, I promise you, everything will be absolutely perfect. But like I said, every trip here is absolutely perfect, even if you do burn your burgers. You don't have to go too far or wait too long for a good meal. So book your trip and get here already.